Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs on your iPad. The first thing you need to do is swipe down the middle of your iPad screen. Type in Docs and select the app that shows up. This is my collection of Google Docs. Your Google Docs collection will show up as soon as you're logged in. If you're not logged in, you'll have to take that first step. The next thing you'll want to do is to create a new Google document. You can do so by using the plus symbol in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Typing in the name for your new document. Then click Create. Now that you've created your new document, take a look at the toolbar. You'll notice that most of the options are very familiar. Lots of basic editing buttons here. You will also notice 3 other icons in the top right-hand corner of your screen. If you click on them, you'll notice that there's a comment section, although there's no comments in this document just yet. That's where you could be able to communicate with other collaborators and your teacher on your work. Using the pencil, you can actually edit and create comments in this section. The viewers option can be visible by clicking on the little person in the top right hand corner. At present there's no other viewers as well, because I haven't shared anybody into this document just yet. Notice you can also do a search and replace using the search icon in that same top right hand corner. Just type in the word you want to search for and what you'd like to replace it with. Back in my menu again, I want to show you how to access information about your document. If you click on the little eye in the bottom right hand corner, it brings up all the information on your document, and it'll also allow you to add collaborators to the document. In other words, to share other people into it. Notice the share option in the top left hand side. You can also remove your document by deleting it using the trash can. You also have the option to print out your document, star it, rename it, get a link for it. You can also load it onto the device and see when it was last modified and when it was created. You can see that now that I've added someone to my document and they are currently viewing it along with me. I've also selected a bit of text. When you're in the actual document view, you can use that eye again to access that same menu we just looked at. In order to add more people, I just have to type in their email addresses in this box and select whether I want to allow them to edit the document, comment on the document, or view the document. Click on the little blue and white check mark when you've finished adding your collaborators. I can also add comments to my document by selecting the text. You'll notice I've selected this text and bolded it and underlined it. I'm also going to add a comment now that I have it selected. Click on the comment box and type in your comment. And once you've finished typing it in, click the little blue and white check box again to save it. And now the collaborators will be able to see what your comments are and respond to them using the same comment box. Notice I have quite a few collaborators now on my document. One of them is a viewer. There's myself, which is the owner, and another one, which is an editor. I'm going to show you how to log out of your Google account on these iPads. Clicking the X first, and it'll bring up this menu next to your document list. Click on your name. Then you're going to click on your name one more time. Now you'll select the account that you want to log out of. Notice you can also add other accounts using this option. And click the Remove button to remove the account, thereby logging you out of your Google account on this device. It's important to do this. If you don't log yourself out, other people who use the device will have access to your documents. In fact, they'll have access to your whole Google Drive. Hope this was useful. Now you can go on and answer the questions in the Google form below this video. Have fun!